In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Steam overlay, a handy tool that enhances your gaming experience by allowing you to chat with friends, browse the web, or look up guides without leaving your game. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, make sure you've opened your Steam app. If you haven't, go ahead and do that now. It's your gateway to all things Steam, including your game library and the all-important overlay feature. Once you're in the app, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Now you're going to enter your account name and password. A little tip here, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your phone or email app handy to receive that security code. This extra layer of security might take a few more seconds, but it's worth it to keep your account safe. Once you've logged in, click on the sign in button. This will take you to your Steam homepage where all the action happens. It's a great space to not only manage your games but also explore new ones, so feel free to take a moment to look around. Next, locate Steam on the top left corner of your screen and give it a click. This leads you to the main menu where you'll find several options to configure your app settings. Now look for the settings option from the drop down menu. Clicking on this will open up a new window with a host of different categories on the left side. For today we're going to focus on the in-game tab because that's where the magic of the overlay happens. When you click on in-game, you'll find the option to enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Ensure this is toggled to on. Without this feature enabled, you won't be able to access the overlay, so this step is crucial. Once that's done, let's assign some shortcut keys. These keys will be your quick access to bring up the overlay while you're in a game. Most people stick with the default, which is Shift plus Tab, but you can customize it to whatever feels most comfortable for you. And that's it, you're all set to use the Steam overlay. Remember, it's an incredibly useful feature for multitasking during your games. Whether you're chatting with friends, checking strategies, or even streaming music, the overlay makes it all seamless. Thanks for going through this guide, and I hope you enjoy the added convenience Steam overlay offers to your gaming adventures.